Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to All Baking and Cooking ABC. So today we are going to make a very chatpati, very delicious recipe which I love to eat, and we can have it with boiled rice or any lentil soup. Almost half-inch thick slices, and we're gonna take round one eggplants, which are round one. And similarly from the back side, you can see I have made the deep cuts, but they have not come to the back side of the slice. So from the back side I'm gonna do the same thing. I think you can see it properly like this. So now it's time to spice up the things. So you have to just take one pinch of every spice, and only 3 spices are being used in this. I'm just going to oil up the frying pan. We don't need much oil for that. So our oil is warmed up, so I'm gonna again add fenugreek seeds. This is called kalwanji or black seeds. I'm gonna add this, just a pinch. These are mustard seeds, so I'm gonna add them. So see, they are crackling, and when you hear the crackling sound, then it's time to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, but make sure it doesn't have water in it. And we have to cook 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. It's time to flip over this slice. They are tender, they are fully cooked, and yogurt does not have any water anymore. This is the oil which is left in the pan. Now I'm gonna turn on the flame a little bit high just to fry them. So you can see how beautiful they are looking, mouth-watering, nice smell, and they're almost ready.